Reproduction in human beings. Reproduction in human beings, it contains the male and female reproductive system. As we know, male reproductive system contains different organs. The male reproductive system consists of a pair of testes which produces the male reproductive cell called sperm and the hormone testosterone. It is contained in sac-like structure called scrotum. From each testis arises a tube called vas deferens. It is joined into the urethra. The urethra is enclosed in a muscular organ called penis. It has an opening called genital pore. The seminal vesicles and prostate glands produces fluid which provide nutrition and help in the movement of the sperm. These organs are associated with the male reproductive system and you can easily identify their position. These are the organs and their position and structure. You have already know about the function of these organs. Here are the structure of sperm. It contains a large tail, midpiece, head and acrosome. Now move to the female reproductive system. Similar to the male, it also contains different type of organs associated with the system. The male reproductive system consists of a pair of ovaries which produces the female reproductive cell called ova or egg and the hormone called estrogen. Above these ovary, there are tube-like structure called oviducts or fallopian tube. The two oviducts unites into a bag-like structure called uterus. The uterus has opening called vagina. You can also observe these organs from the given picture. Ovary, uterus, oviducts, cervix, these are the different organs associated with the female reproductive parts. Here are the structure of human ovum. Now move to the actual process of fertilization. During sexual intercourse, the sperms from the male enters into the vagina of the female. The sperms reaches the oviduct. One sperm fuses with an egg and forms a zygote. The zygote then gets implanted in the uterus. The zygote then start dividing to form an embryo. The embryo get nutrition from the mother's blood through the placenta. Placenta is a special tissue which provide nourishment to the embryo. The development of the child take place 9 months and then the child is born. This is the whole process of fertilization. From the ovary, the egg reaches to the fallopian tube, and from the uterus, the sperm reaches to the fallopian tube, and there is a fertilization in the fallopian tube. These are the stages of the development of early embryo. Here is the process of fertilization, how male and female gametes they fuses. Here is the cloud of the sperm around the ovum. Different stages of the embryo. How the embryo develops into a baby. And here is the complete development of the baby. There is umbilical cord, placenta. Umbilical cord is the rope-like structure which make attachment in between uterus and the baby. Placenta is the special tissue that supplies nourishment to the embryo and also help in removal of the waste products. Menstruation. The ovary produces one egg every month and the uterus prepared to receive the fertilized egg. Its wall becomes thick and spongy with blood vessels for nursing the embryo. If fertilization does not take place, then the uterus wall breaks and comes out of the vagina as blood and mucus. The cycle takes place once every month and this is called menstruation. Menstruation. Reproductive health. Reproductive health, it is governed by different factors. First is the sexually transmitted diseases. These are diseases transmitted through sexual contact. They may be bacterial infection like gonorrhea and syphilis, etc., or viral infection like wart and HIV/AIDS. Prevention of the pregnancy. Contraception. Pregnancy can be prevented by three main methods. They are barrier method, chemical methods and surgical method. Barrier method consists of using condoms, diaphragms, cervical caps, copper T, etc. Chemical method consists of taking drugs like oral pill, vaginal pill, etc. Now, and surgical methods consists of removing or drying a small part of the vast differences to consists of removal or tying a small part of the seminal vesicles. Vast difference in males, that is called vasectomy, and in fallopian tube in the female called tubectomy. So, this is all about the reproduction in female, reproduction in human beings.